to unboxing a drill machine. So let's start this video. It's buy from Daraj. Wow, nice packet. What a concept. This is concept. User manual, USB cable. This is still. It's rotatable. Lock. First time use. Lock. Light. LED light. Fuse. Right. Yeah. Just wow. Oh, you are perfect. Rotate, rotate. Well, this Type C USB port, and it is Type C USB cable for charger, and totally many tools. Drill tool, screw tool. Nice. Star tool. Yeah. Just check it out. Here is screw. Check it out. It's nicely work and magnetic. Something. Okay. Press and wow, nice. The switch are rotating for rotating. Yes, it's for wow, nice. Wow, perfectly work. Just wow, LED. Thanks for watching this video. For more video, subscribe Tech Mechanic YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.